What's going on?
I'm working out canoe. Rope, and I'm gonna take my head.
Do it. Let's see.
Yeah. Two, four if you want to deep.
Do it right there. Where you are. There, where you are. Just do it right there.
Oh, this is deep.
So who cares?
Jackson, you're on video, so we're seeing this for all time.
Guys, I go in the deep water and it'll be super cool.
Okay, dunk.
Can I dunk right now?
Yep, do it.
Okay. Put my goggles on.
Hey, Josh. Good luck.
But someone needs to go with me.
No, here comes the excuses. Okay, do it yourself. Let's see.
But guys, how do you do it slow?
Hey, Josh, my arm's getting tired.
I don't know how I could. But if I do it, then this water will be super cold.
Yep.
I'm gonna just do it over here.
Okay.
Oh, this is good. Only do it over here. Okay. Okay, Dad?
Yep.
Do you really want me to dunk my head?
Yes.
Okay, but if I don't know how to get up, I think, but on this, if my foot is just like stuck in the sand, like pull it out so hard, then like get out.
Okay.
Okay, but
Good luck. Hey, Josh. Good luck.
guys, this is gonna be really scary.
Yep. For all of us.
For all of us, are you gonna be freaked out?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's see your skills.
Hey, but if I do it, then I won't know how to get up.
Yeah, you will.
Okay, but I'll count to 5, then I'll done.
Okay.
I'll
We don't care.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I can't done. I can't done. I can't done. Oh, I can't.
Come on, you can do it.
No, I can't.
Jackson and Tristan, show them how to do it.
Alright, if you insist, then.
Was that a good lesson, Josh?
I don't know how I could dunk my head. I just could dunk my head at like a naughty thing.
Come on, let's see it.
I don't know how to dunk.
All you do is you put your head underwater, that's all.
This is an awesome rock.
Hey, how did I just do it right here?
Okay,
You don't.
Okay, I'll do the dunk now.
we'll see.
I'm gonna count to 5.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yay! He did
All right.
it. You did it. Yeah. I missed it.
Nice going.
All right.
You guys want to see it?
Yeah.
No, I mean,
Yeah.
Okay.
Go farther out, little farther out.
But guys, if I dunk my head, then I'll hit my knee on the rock.
Right, that's why you need to go a little bit farther out.
But those are big rocks.
But little foot farther, so it's a little bit deeper and you don't hit your head.
I can't do it.
Oh, I guess that's the only time we get.